What is it doing? A Greek Leopard 1. A 5 tank was spotted crossing the Burgundy Bridge in France. On the afternoon of April 15th, a Greek tank was seen in Chalon-sur-Saône, according to the French press. This movement, in broad daylight and on a major road by the Burgundy Bridge, inevitably attracted the attention of passers-by. The tank, painted in the colors of the Hellenic army, is a Leopard 1 of 5. In the area, military convoys regularly move along the roads, which usually include equipment from the French army. The passage of the Greek tank through France so far from our country raises questions, the article says, since there are currently no major military exercises taking place in the area. Greece, however, has been invited to participate in the major French military exercise, Orion 2026, which will run until April 30th, especially in neighboring areas. This exercise had started on April 8th this year. A Greek armored force with tanks, leopards, and personnel, as it appears, is heading to France as part of the multinational exercise named Orion 2026. It is an unknown force for now, consisting of leopards and others. Armored vehicles, which are heading to the northern coasts of France, where they will be integrated into the force of the 7th Armored Brigade of the French Army. This exercise is related to the European Rapid Deployment Force, the creation of which is a central goal of European defense policy for crisis management. The main points regarding this force are that it will consist of up to 5,000 soldiers and will be distinguished by flexibility and maximum speed. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.